Once upon a time, in a beautiful green valley surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a young giraffe named Gigi. Gigi had a long neck that reached higher than any other animal. She could see far across the fields and eat the freshest leaves from the tallest trees. But Gigi didn't always like being so tall. "I wish I were more like everyone else," she often said. One sunny morning, Gigi was walking through the meadow when she heard someone calling for help. "My kite is stuck," cried a little rabbit. All the animals gathered around the tall tree. The puppy jumped as high as he could. The fox searched for a long stick. The frog bounced from rock to rock, but no one could reach the colorful kite. Gigi smiled. "I think I can help." She carefully stretched her long neck toward the highest branch, just a little farther. Then, gently, she lifted the kite free and handed it back to the rabbit.
Wow!
"Thank you, Gigi," the rabbit cheered. All the animals clapped and smiled. Later that day, Gigi looked at her reflection in a quiet pond.
Yay!
For the first time, she smiled back.
Yay!
She realized that her long neck wasn't something to hide. It was her special gift. It helped her do things that no one else could do. From that day on, Gigi walked proudly through the valley. She no longer wished to be different. She learned that everyone has something unique to offer. And when we believe in ourselves, our differences become our greatest strengths.